IHS family welcomes you all in Science Exhibition 2026. The mission of the International Buddhist School is to instill the leadership, creativity, and courage in the mind of its young graduates and to give them a drive for a lifelong pursuit of knowledge with a script of Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-sufficient country. We strive to create international citizens who follow Indian code and values while maintaining a strong character and being law-abiding.
No, just have to press.
Yes, press and hold it for 3 to 4 seconds, 5 seconds.
The International Buddhist School is to instill the leadership.
हाँ वेरी बहुत अच्छा
electricity generator. In this process, this is made for specifically for our India. India is a best country, but the roads and the street lights are not good because there is no
क्लास में गो
electricity.
Which class?
6B.
हाँ 6
Sir, in this project, we used a magnet dynamo motor. It helps us to create electricity with a discharge battery because lithium battery has a power to store energy without charging it. So, if we on this, it will on, and there is a capacitor. If we on capacitors supplies from this, it will humidate the people who do not have homes and they sit on street. That's why we made a fan. This is made for our country. In this science exhibition, you will see robots and many
कौन
things.
कौन है तुम लोगों में से who are the people 3
Yes.
वेरी गुड और ये लड़का कहाँ ये किसमें का है
Sir, इसी में
सुनील का वेरी गुड वेरी President,
Yes, sir.
he talked about fast breeder.
Yes, sir.
So what is the advantage of fast breeder?
Sir, this is a special type of nuclear reactor which produces more fuel rather than it consumes. It uses uranium and plutonium as the central fuels. When the neutrons strikes the uranium, it generates the plutonium, which is a new nuclear fuel, and it reduces the amount of nuclear waste and makes the best use of uranium resources. And
So what is the use of this one fast breeder?
sir, to generate electricity and
Correct. Very good.
efficient energy and sustainable source of energy.
Correct.
Sir, it is a step against the independent India for nuclear power.
Correct.
name is Saurabh Kumar from class 5th B.
Very good. So
We
what is it?
This is the solar system.
So sun is bigger than Earth, sir.
Yes, sir.
How do you know that?
This is smaller than the Earth.
How do you know that?
The sun is the bigger from the earth, and all the
because the Earth is gel. और जल्दी नाम बताओ.
आकांक्षा विश्वकर्मा, नंदिनी यादव, जानवी चौबे.
हाँ ठीक. Very good. Reproductive system. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you want to show then?
Sir, I want to show.
What is the myth and what is the fact? Tell me.
So, like you can see in Philippines, people believe that you should wash your face with menstrual blood, first menstrual blood, for clear skin. But
this is
but
not.
this is scientifically not
Very
true.
good. Very good.
And you can see that there are many funny facts, just like I have written here.
Myths and facts you have also now written.
Based on psychology background, it is related to career counseling. She is a career counselor. She counsels students, and career counseling is not just about choosing profession. It's about understanding one's passion, interest, values, and skills itself. She helps students, like she is Pooja and Raman. They are visiting to this counselor. They are in a career counseling center. They are very confused about their future, their goals.
But what is this? Commerce, why you have it written?
Sir, this is depicting the subjects which were stream-wise, like they are confused whether to choose science, whether to choose humanities or commerce. So she helps them on the basis of their personality, goals, ambition.
What
and
about the
interest.
values?
Sir, she understand these people, their values, their interests, and their
Very good.
personality.
Very